Okay, we've just fitted a Powerguard wireless start module or wireless remote control to this operator's Sewerjet machine. It's running a 31 horsepower Vanguard. As you can see, you've got a spare key fob. It comes with a second key fob. We've fit an electric choke to the machine. You can still start it manually and operate it as it was originally intended. This gentleman wants to operate this machine from 50, 60, 75 metres away. He's able to do that now. Using the wireless remote, he can start and stop the machine. Press the green button, cranks up, it chokes, choke off, running. Now he can do his work. He can stop the machine. He might want to change the jetting on the end of the hose, or he might want to plug the pressure wand in. There's all sorts of things that can happen at the end of the hose, and if he doesn't have to walk all the way back to his truck to turn this machine off, then that can only improve the efficiency, and any efficiency gain is obviously proportional to savings. So look at it from an economics point of view. It works, it's durable, and it's reliable.